I'm Sharon and welcome to KG.
Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna make some plant-based 어묵볶음 or stir-fried fish cake using this tofu sheet. And you might ask, why don't we just call it stir-fried tofu sheet then? Well, you may know that 어묵볶음 is one of the really popular Korean side dishes, banchan, and once you make it and taste it, you'll know that its texture and the taste is so similar to the actual 어묵볶음. And it's so easy to make, you'll be surprised. So keep on watching and let's get started. Okay, here are our ingredients for today. So we're gonna need some bean curd sheet. This is not the dry kind. I found this at a local Asian grocery store in the tofu section, so the fridge section. And this is essential. This is kelp powder. And you could do without and it'll taste as good, but with this kelp powder, it's going to create that oceany taste. So it's going to mimic that 어묵볶음 taste. And tamari, so it's going to be a gluten-free recipe. I'm using maple syrup as a sweetener, minced garlic, black pepper, and I'm using chili pepper today, but you don't have to use chili pepper, but I do recommend using some sort of pepper, even if it's just bell pepper. Some onions, cooking oil, and some sesame oil. Oh, and you also need some toasted sesame seeds to finish it off later. So that's it. So this is bean curd sheet and it's really large like this. Don't panic, we can tackle this. So we'll cut in half first, like so. So we're going to cut into strips. The size don't have to be regular. So just like so. Okay, let's make the sauce. So we're gonna need some tamari, maple syrup. I find that 1:2 ratio is perfect. So 1 part maple syrup and 2 parts tamari. Minced garlic, and of course the kelp powder. And of course kelp powder will not melt, so it's okay, just mix it well and that's it. So in a wok over medium heat with some cooking oil. I'm using sunflower seed oil. Put in the onions and stir fry for about a minute. And when the onions start to turn a little bit translucent, you can put the bean curd sheet and stir fry for about 2 minutes or so, not too much. Okay, now we can pour in the sauce that we made. I left a little bit to see if it's going to be too salty or not salty enough. You can sort of have a taste while you stir fry and then add more sauce if you need. This is good. So add the pepper. Black pepper. And sesame oil. You can turn off the heat now and add sesame seeds. And that's it. Simple. Okay, so here we have our plant-based, gluten-free 어묵볶음, and we used the bean curd sheet to create this dish. And it's so similar to the actual 어묵볶음. It's a little firm in texture, a little sweet, a little salty. full of flavor, so it goes really well with your plain rice. So great side dish, banchan. And it's very versatile. You can put on your bibimbap or in your kimbap also. It makes a really great filling or topping. You'll know what I mean when you actually try it. So this is plant-based 어묵볶음. I hope you enjoyed my recipe today. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you again next time.